So the next example is what power is dissipated by an electrical frying pan that has a resistance of 12 ohm and operates at a potential difference of 120 volts. So we have V, which is 120 volts. We have R, which is 12 ohm. We need to find the power. So power, we said it's going to be equal to V times I. We don't have V, so instead of V, I can write I times R and equals to, we have V, we don't have I, so instead of I can write V divided by R, so it's going to be V squared divided by R, so it's going to be 120 squared divided by 12, so the answer would be 1200 watts, which is the unit for power, or we can also call 1.2 kilowatt, because 1 kilowatt would be equal to 1000 watt.